In this module, we will review how to create cases and place paramedical orders in the Exam1 portal. We will additionally cover how to schedule the paramedical exam through Schedule Now. To create a new case, you simply select the Create Case option on the navigation menu, which is located at the top of the screen. The navigation menu appears on all pages of the portal. This means you can elect to create a new case no matter what page you are viewing. Creating a case takes 5 easy steps, of which you can see on the blue progress bar. The first page, Create a Case, is where you enter all of the insurance policy and applicant's information. The first step is to select the insurance company, agency, and agent information. These fields will automatically populate your office's information. This is where the companies you have added to your user group come in handy. If you only have added one company, or you are a company user, these fields will automatically populate. However, if you have multiple companies and agencies to choose from, click the magnifying glass icon to make the appropriate selections. The window allows you to choose from the companies that are added on your group's profile. Simply search for or select the company and proceed to selecting the agency if needed. It is important to note that you can only place orders for the companies added to your office's profile. If you do not see the company or agency you need, click the Administration Navigation menu option on the top of the page and add the company. If you do not have this menu option, contact your office's portal administrator and they can do it for you. Additionally, here is a tip that only applies to agent users. When selecting the agency, if you have added a company with or without an agency, you will have the option to choose an agency or select No Agency, which is a button on the bottom of the screen. Enter the remaining information about the policy as well as the applicant's demographic, address, and contact information. Please provide information for all required fields, which are indicated by an asterisk. If a second address is available for the applicant, click the Add Address link. This will be beneficial to the applicant when scheduling their examination, as they will have the option to be seen at either location. Once you have entered all the required information, click Review Case to move forward. On the Case Review screen, please confirm the information you have entered is correct. After saving the case, you will not be able to edit this information. To make changes to the information before submitting, click Edit on the lower left side of the page. If all the information is correct, you can choose to save the case without placing an order by clicking the Close Case button, in which you can easily come back to this case and place an order at a later time. Or you can save the case and place an order right now. After you have confirmed the information is correct, the portal will check to make sure the case you just created does not already exist. To do this, it checks for applicants with the exact same last name and date of birth, along with the exact same policy information and amount. If the applicant has applied for multiple insurance companies, those will not be displayed. If the system finds a match, you can proceed by either adding the order to one of the existing cases or continuing with the new case. If there is an error with the information for the new case, the user can select to edit the case. Otherwise, you can proceed by either adding the order to one of the existing cases or continuing with the new case. This will help prevent the need for you to monitor multiple cases for the same applicant. When placing an order, you must first select the correct account. The accounts available are based on the insurance company and order type. If the company has set up automatic service diagnosis, the portal will use the policy and applicant's demographic information to automatically select what services need to be performed during the exam. You can choose to override the automatic diagnosis by selecting the Override button. If you choose to override the automatic diagnosis, you will be required to enter the reason for overriding the services. You should typically include who has approved the override. You will then select the services that need to be performed. If the account is not set up for automatic service diagnosis, you will see the same list of services after selecting the account. Simply check what services need to be performed for the order. After the services are selected, the Schedule Now button will become enabled, allowing you to schedule the exam appointment. You can proceed without scheduling the exam if you prefer to wait. Clicking the Schedule Now button will open Schedule Now. The system will pull the important information from the case and order you are placing. Therefore, the first step in the process is only to confirm the applicant's and insurance information. It is important to note that you can cancel out of Schedule Now at any time during the scheduling process. This will not cancel the order, but cancel the act of scheduling the appointment. Enter the reason why you would like to cancel the appointment and return back to the order form within the portal. The second step is selecting the location of the exam. The applicant can choose to be seen at an Exam 1 examination office or at one of the addresses they have provided. If the applicant would like to be seen at a personal location, you can choose either address they have provided. If the applicant would like to use an Exam 1 exam office, you can select an office near their home or work address if both were provided. Notice you can navigate to the previous screen at any time during the scheduling process. You will now select the date and time for the exam. Click Next to move forward. Please take a second to notice that each time you move to a new step, the progress bar displays the previous page's information. Schedule Now will allow you to choose a time by searching for open time slots on an examiner's calendar. If the exam requires special equipment or certifications, Schedule Now will only search for examiners who have the certifications and equipment needed to perform the exam. The best practice is to schedule the exam anytime between 3 and 17 days from today. The final step is confirming the appointment information. If all information is correct, click Reserve to schedule the appointment and move forward. After scheduling, you will see a summary screen confirming the appointment has been successfully reserved. This screen also provides information about the confirmation call to the applicant as well as the Exam 1 office's contact information. You will automatically be routed back to the portal and the exam appointment information will appear on the product order form. If you would like to include order notes for the office and examiner, please include them in the provided text box. You can additionally upload a PDF or TIFF file to the order. Just select to upload a document and search for the document from your computer. Click Review Order to move to the next step. Once again, please confirm that the information you have entered in the order form is correct. After submitting the order, you will not be able to edit the information. To make changes to the information, click Edit on the lower left side of the page. If all the information is correct, click Submit to view your confirmation. The confirmation page lists all the details for the case and the order. Notice that you have the option to print a copy of the confirmation. From here, you can select to return to your dashboard by clicking the Home icon on the navigation menu, or you can select to view the case details for this case. To learn more about the case details, watch the Searching and Viewing Cases video. Thanks for watching the Creating Cases and Placing Orders training video.